Heard YouTube 1 2 1 2 testing testing. First thing we gotta do when you get angry and fuck up your room. This video is for VYN Squad. I'm Mark Avon. Well, I do want to come out here and say I apologize for last night. I should never hold dog like that too much. I overly hold him because he played with me, but I ain't have to do him like that. I know. Hold on. But I had to though, because when you play, you lay. You know, that's one thing you gotta learn. When you play, you lay. If you let somebody play with you so many times, they think it's cool to do it twice. You heard? Hey. You fooled me one time, shame on me. Fooled me 2 times, shame on you. No, you fooled me one time, shame on you. Fooled me 2 times, shame on me. Fooled me 3 times, fuck the peace sign. Load the chopper, let it rain on you. Hear me? That's how I feel. You know, it was like, you play with my emotion, but you don't know how I really was. You was taking my little funds, but you didn't understand I was blood. I thought that you was my brother, but you used me like I was a bitch. I thought that you was my brother, but you treated me like I was a snitch. How the fuck I try to ride for you, but you don't even want to slide? Boy, yo, that's a bitch. Don't ask me about that. Outside, I told you on that live, you ain't trying to get in the field. You ain't trying to hide it. Hold on. I told you on that live, you ain't trying to get in the field. You ain't trying to hit it head. You pussy, it is what it is. You don't call my phone with, you tell me the same thing. I'm thinking like, damn, why you ain't do the same thing? You understand? You a bitch, you a ham. You understand? You ain't never gonna blam. You understand? If that gun loaded, I bet your bitch gonna jam. You understand? Nobody saving you but yourself. You better keep moving. You hear me? For a nigga get you stepped on. You my brother, so I tell him I do it myself. You my brother, so I tell him I do it myself. I don't need nobody step on you, I do it myself. On rules in the game, I don't need no help. You better understand I don't need your ass either. Step on your bitch ass. Your ass like, you hear me? RP dog. Okay, let's do shirts. Hey, y'all, I ain't gonna cap y'all. I gotta, when I move, I ain't wanna take. What the fuck this bird? Oh, this bitch gone for. What's that in my goddamn shirt? I don't give a fuck. Just might need this. I don't know what I need this for. I'm gonna reconstruct that chair today. I'm gonna reconstruct the ass today. Come here, that's gonna be my little project while I'm in this room playing. Ugh. Oh, we got a goddamn enough storage. Make sure that motherfucker just didn't go off or something. Cause we might got enough storage. I ain't gonna conduct you right now, but we do need to get this chair back. Let's bitch out like this. Like this. Grab this. Need to reconstruct this. Have some new stuff to put in it. Use my box cutter, cut some cardboard like I was gonna do. Put that shirt around that bitch, make it tight. Tie it. You're gonna be good. So we're gonna put you over here. Yeah, with that little wooden piece board I had. A little wooden piece somewhere. I keep all my shit. I know it's shit somewhere. Right there. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we're gonna do. I ain't know it was like that. I could have been fixed this. This ain't nothing. This is an easy fix. This ain't nothing. It's an easy fix. You really put 2 nails in there. All I'm gonna do is put 2 nails in there. My drill at. If the camera go dead, I'm just gonna do a part 2. I know where my drill gun is. I always use that. I guess in here for sure. Where you at? Drill. Where you at? You gotta be over here, right? Drill, where the fuck you at? Drill, stop playing with me. I haven't took you out this bitch in a... I don't know, man. What the fuck did I ever use your? Probably be in here then. All this was hung up and folded up. I just did some whole shit. And don't say, did you have attention time? No, nigga. I just knocked all this shit down because I'm looking for my... You got it, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, Drew, bro. Hey, what the fuck? Drew, where the fuck is you at, man? Alright, fuck you, you ain't here. You don't worry about clothes then. Let's fold them. Let's fold them, okay? First thing, these work pants, when work come back up, These burnt too. Okay, I see. I'm not wearing these. I ain't even gonna cap. I'm gonna get these to one of my workers that ain't got no work pants. Put them on. Maybe Jermaine, Jovan, whoever need them. Yeah, I start putting clothes like that to the side. These, I want to rock these. These just my work pants. Let me see how they look. Let me see. See if I'm gonna make some. How much am I making these? Yeah, these gonna be my work pants this summer because they got these zippers on the pockets. We're gonna put these up. Work pants for the summer. Got them already out. Little cotton. That ain't nothing, y'all. That's just some little cotton. Work pants for the summer. Let's go now. Let's do this. Boop, 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 boop. Hear me? All you gotta do, you can just put it up. Work pants gonna all work stuff gonna be on that side. Like that, gonna be on that side. Jackets. Ooh, these edibles sneaking up on your ass. These bitch ass, you wanna punch shit. I gotta find my fire alarm and put it up in there too. I gotta find that bitch by the day. I want my fire alarm back up. I ain't finna be smoking no more for real. This edible got me there. That bitch got me there. That bitch kinda taking me past there that the weed take you. But I don't know. Cause I'm like there with the weed. But can we get there with the sky? You understand? I'm high as fuck. I'm high as fuck, nigga. That was like, don't believe shit I say. You hear me? Don't believe shit I say. So I said, don't believe shit. But if I say that, believe in Santa Claus? Shit. Let's just say there's a lot of Santa's little helpers out there. You think he won't come through that chimney? A chicken come through the chimney? Santa Claus is real, y'all. Santa Claus is real. He's a real man. I've seen him before. Can't wait till he give me something this year. I prayed for 10,000 subs. That's all I want, 10,000 subs. Hope he can. I need to get an iron too. I got an iron. I just gotta go find this a little one. It's downstairs in my buckets. I'm gonna go get it in the storage. I'm gonna go get it from the storage real quick. It's cool. I know where it's at. I know I got that little motherfucker that people do some work. Work. Looking good off a perk, bitch. Looking like a squirt, bitch. Good off a perk, bitch. Ah, let's get activated. Ah. But I know the real one too. I basically the facts he was too active. You heard me? RP Gutter. Gutter was cool as hell, man. Man, RP Gutter. The nigga playing on it, huh? That was cool as hell. Niggas be playing, you know. You always smile. Niggas be playing, but I know what you know. I don't even don't want those bitches. Beat that, bro. Nigga, who you talking to? Who you talking to? Bro, tell her, bro. Who talking to? Tell her, bro. I don't have to do that to you. Just leave me alone. Niggas be good. They know. Chill out, bro. You keep talking and while I'm trying to talk to my YouTube's gonna be a problem. Alright, YouTube. I just want y'all to know like we almost done 4 o'clock. Trying to fight? Hold on, YouTube. Just let nigga talk crazy. Go ahead and put you right here. Hold you on up. Clean door right on up real quick. You wanna fight, okay? Oh, you wanna fight? I don't wanna fight you, man. Just don't swing at me, bro. Oh. That's what you wanna do. Oh, chill. Hold on. Hold on. You just snuck me, bro. It's cool, bro. It's cool. Why would you do that though? Oh shit! Oh, where you going? Where you going? You gotta catch me, bro. Where you? Chill out, bro. You alright? Come on, bro. You my friend. Come on. Stop playing with me, nigga. You fight one on one. It's not gonna probably. It's not. I can't just overdo it like this. It's gonna go like this. Oh. First, stop playing. What you trying to do now? I'm for real. What's up? Come on. Beat his face in. I'm only 25%. I gotta get back to it.